Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, on the small Portuguese island of Madeira, a place better known for its cliffs and ocean views than for producing global superstars. His family lived modestly in the Santo Antonio neighborhood of Funchal. His father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a kit man and part-time gardener, while his mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, cleaned houses and raised 4 children. Money was scarce, space was limited, and comfort was a luxury, but ambition lived freely in that household. From the moment Cristiano could walk, he chased a football. He played barefoot in the streets, in schoolyards, anywhere there was space. Even as a child, he stood out, not just for his speed or skill, but for his intensity. Losing made him cry. Winning never satisfied him. He wanted more goals, more applause, more proof that he belonged among the best. Teachers complained that he paid little attention in class. His focus was singular. Football was not a hobby, it was his destiny. At the age of 8, he joined Andorina, a small local club where his father worked. It didn't take long for his talent to become obvious. By 10, he was playing for Nacional, one of Madeira's biggest clubs. Scouts began to notice, but the defining moment came when Sporting CP invited him to Lisbon for a trial. At just 12 years old, Cristiano left his family and island behind, moving to mainland Portugal to chase a dream that felt both exhilarating and terrifying. Life at Sporting's academy was brutal. He struggled with homesickness and his Madeiran accent, which made him an easy target for teasing. He cried alone at night, missing his mother and siblings. Yet on the pitch, his pain transformed into power. He trained obsessively, often staying after sessions to work on his shooting, dribbling, and physique. When doctors diagnosed him with a heart condition that could have ended his career, he underwent surgery and returned to training within days, more determined than ever. By 16, Ronaldo was training with Sporting's first team. By 17, he was playing for them. His speed, stepovers, and fearless attacking style electrified fans. Then came August 2003, a friendly match against Manchester United that changed football history. Ronaldo tormented United's defenders so thoroughly that several players urged their manager, Sir Alex Ferguson, to sign him immediately. Within days, the deal was done. Cristiano Ronaldo became a Manchester United player, inheriting the iconic number 7 shirt once worn by legends like George Best and Eric Cantona. At 18, Ronaldo arrived in England skinny, flashy, and raw. Critics labeled him a showboat, too many tricks, not enough end product. But Ferguson saw something deeper: hunger. Under his guidance, Ronaldo transformed. He gained muscle, discipline, and tactical intelligence. Each season, he improved. Goals replaced tricks. Strength replaced fragility. By the 2006-07 season, he was unstoppable. The 2007-08 campaign cemented his superstardom. Ronaldo scored 42 goals in all competitions, leading Manchester United to the Premier League title and Champions League glory. That year, he won his first Ballon d'Or, officially recognized as the best player in the world. The boy from Madeira had reached the summit, but he wasn't done climbing. In 2009, Ronaldo made a move that redefined ambition. Real Madrid signed him for a then-world record fee. The pressure was immense. Every touch, every goal, every missed chance was scrutinized. Yet Ronaldo thrived under the spotlight. He scored goals at an unprecedented rate, breaking records season after season. At Real Madrid, he evolved into a ruthless, efficient scoring machine, less about flair, more about perfection. His rivalry with Lionel Messi became the defining duel of an era. Two contrasting geniuses pushing each other to impossible heights. While Messi was poetry in motion, Ronaldo was relentless force. Their competition elevated football itself, dividing fans and fueling endless debates, but also mutual respect. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo achieved immortality. He won 4 Champions League titles, multiple league trophies, and 4 more Ballon d'Or awards. He became the club's all-time top scorer, delivering unforgettable moments, bicycle kicks, last-minute winners, hat tricks on the biggest stages. He didn't just score goals, he scored when it mattered most. Yet in 2018, Ronaldo shocked the world again. He left Madrid for Juventus, seeking new challenges. In Italy, he adapted once more, winning league titles and proving that his excellence wasn't tied to one system or league. Even in his mid-30s, he remained among the world's elite, his fitness levels rivaling players a decade younger. Ronaldo's career, however, has never been free of controversy. His confidence is often mistaken for arrogance. His emotions spill onto the pitch, celebrations, frustrations, tears. But these qualities are inseparable from his greatness. He demands perfection from himself and those around him, sometimes at a cost. Yet teammates frequently speak of his professionalism, work ethic, and obsession with winning. On the international stage, Ronaldo's relationship with Portugal was long complicated. For years, critics claimed he couldn't deliver for his country. That narrative ended in 2016, when he captained Portugal to their first major trophy at the European Championship. Injured early in the final, he became a coach on the sidelines, urging his teammates forward. Portugal won, and Ronaldo cried, not from defeat, but from fulfillment. In 2019, he added another international title by winning the UEFA Nations League. Over time, he became Portugal's all-time leading scorer and one of the most capped players in football history. Each goal was another statement. Longevity is not luck, it is work. In the later stages of his career, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United, then moved on once more, this time to Saudi Arabia, joining Al Nassr. To some, it signaled the twilight of his career. To Ronaldo, it was simply another chapter, another place to conquer, another league to elevate. He continued to score, to train relentlessly, and to speak openly about his love for the game. Beyond football, Ronaldo became a global brand. CR7 is synonymous with excellence, style, and ambition. From fashion to fitness, hotels to fragrances, he built an empire. Yet beneath the brand remains the same boy who once slept in a small room with his siblings, dreaming of stadium lights. His story is not just about talent. It is about sacrifice. About leaving home at 12. About turning criticism into fuel. About choosing discipline when comfort was easier. Ronaldo's body is a product of science and obsession, his mind a fortress built on belief. He once said, "Talent without working hard is nothing." His career is the proof. Cristiano Ronaldo is more than a footballer. He is a symbol of what relentless ambition can achieve. Loved and hated, celebrated and criticized, he has never been ignored. And perhaps that is his greatest legacy. He forced the world to watch, to argue, to marvel. From Madeira's narrow streets to the grandest stadiums on earth, Ronaldo didn't just chase greatness, he demanded it. And in doing so, he carved his name into football history forever.